Hi, I'm Caleb, and I'm a digital marketer at SendPulse. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about our new feature, tags. Tags are labels that you can add to single or multiple contacts and use them to segment your email campaigns. Tags work across your entire account because they are linked to contacts' email addresses. This means that a tag you set for an individual subscriber in one mailing list is assigned to that contact on all of your mailing lists. To create a new tag, edit existing tags, or view a list of contacts filtered by a specific tag, go to Mailing Lists, then Tags. For example, create a new tag, Webinar Participant, choose a color for it, and click Save. The new tag is ready, and you can assign it to the selected subscriber or group of subscribers. Now, let's go to a mailing list, and I'll show you how to add a tag to an existing contact. Choose a contact you want to assign a tag to. Then, in the Tags column, click on the field and select the desired tag from the list of tags or create a new one. If necessary, you can assign a tag to an individual contact or every contact on a mailing list. Now, let's create an email campaign for subscribers filtered by a specific tag. To create a campaign for one mailing list and segment it by tags, choose a mailing list and click Segment List. Select the tag type of segment, then indicate a condition for segmentation. To create a campaign for subscribers with a specific tag, regardless of which mailing list the contact is on, choose Subscribers with a Tag. Indicate the required tag. When choosing multiple tags, you can filter subscribers by any or all of the selected tags. You'll find a detailed guide to editing, adding, and removing tags in bulk in the description below. Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to stay tuned for videos about new features and digital marketing tips. Thanks for watching.